Niin turhaa olla työksi.
Asuntoskeyhtiö Sävylinna.
It's very nice. It's a 2025 area. It's also Tyvikatu here.
Yeah.
5 stakes P. We have also filmed the stakes here. It's in Haukiluoma, one of the course, one of the Finland course between 1988 finished 1989 is number 65459. I love this house as well.
Same.
I think maybe the best house in this one.
Yeah. But their building has better color. This white is boring, but still.
And then 1986 is also even better.
Yeah.
It's more rare also.
Yeah. Isso pippaa kiva iskuttaa, että meidän nyt pääsee mihin sirukointiin. That's